With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi everyone, let's take a question. So here the question is the D glucose. Okay, so this question is paragraph based question. This question is paragraph based question. Okay, so here we are given that the D glucose has melting point 146 degrees Celsius and specific rotation is of plus 112 degrees. Okay, so here what we have is that the another D plus glucose has the melting point this and specific rotation is 18.7. So the two form have significantly different optical rotation, but when their solution is allowed to stand, its rotation changes. Okay, the specific rotation of one form decreases and rotation of another increases, and they show the same value, that is plus 52.7, and the change in rotation towards equilibrium value is mutarotation. Okay, so this process is our mutarotation. Okay, so here what it is, we have the mixture. Okay, we have the mixture. Okay, in that we have the alpha glucose, in that we have the alpha form of the D glucose. Okay, this is for D, and here we have the equilibrium mixture, and here we have the beta glucose. Here we have the beta glucose, that is also the D glucose. Okay, beta form of the D glucose. Okay, so in this case what happens is, here it is shown, here it is shown, this is our D glucose. Okay, this is D glucose, this is the beta form, and this is the, no, this is the, okay, here it is not mentioned that which forms are this. Okay, so it is just mentioned that the one rotation has 18.7 and other has 112, other has 112 degrees rotation. Okay, but at this point they have the equal rotation, that is the same value 52.7, and this change in rotation is known as the mutarotation. Okay, it is the change in specific rotation, change in specific rotation. Okay, so if we see the question here, so the question is mutarotation is the characteristic feature of. Okay, so here if we see these structures, here if we see these structures, so these are not the mirror images, these are not the mirror images. Okay, so in isomer is not correct, because in isomers are our mirror images. Okay, ring chain isomer is also not correct. Okay, these are not the ring chain isomers of each other. Okay, if we talk about the epimers, so epimers are those which differs at the absolute configuration. Okay, show the difference in absolute configuration at one carbon, at one carbon. Okay, at one chiral carbon. Like if we talk about the glucose, then the epimer of the glucose is D mannose. Okay, D mannose, D galactose. Okay, D galactose. Okay, it means that these are not the epimers, these are not the epimer, because these are only the forms of glucose. Okay, so this is incorrect. Okay, so here our answer is anomer, here our answer is anomer. If we see 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, here also 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, so here if we see that they just differ at the first carbon, they just differ at the C1 carbon. So anomers are those pair of stereoisomers which differ at the C1 carbon or around the C1 carbon. So that are our anomers, and here the D glucose forms are anomers of each other, they are anomers of each other. So mutarotation is a characteristic feature of the anomers. Okay, so here our answer is anomers. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.